G'day everyone, thanks for tuning back in for another episode. Well, I've made my way back down to Napier for a 2-day birding trip. And in this trip, I'm going to take you along to some of my favourite locations that I like to photograph, what makes it so special, and what stunning birds are on offer at these locations. So, the sun's just coming up, the birds are out, let's go. So probably hands down, one of my favourite places to photograph when I come back to Napier is right here at the Estuary Estuary. This place is just absolutely stunning. The bird life is so diverse, from the ryebrill, spoonbill, pied stilt, godwit, dotterel, or many species of dotterel. It is just world class for your birding. And it's not just the birds that are world class, it's the actual backdrop as well. So it's made up of estuaries, swamps, marshlands and wetlands, and you've just got all these beautiful little ponds and pools. And at this time of year in Napier there's not much wind, so you get the sun coming up behind you, so you get the opportunity to just get these amazing photos of these really cool birds with mirror reflections with beautiful colour. It doesn't get much better. We've currently got some ryebrill and some pied stilts and some dotterel all just feeding quite close in the shallows here. And what I find in these locations, if you just get down nice and low and just lie down and then just wait, there's not really any point walking around. Just get your position, hold it, and the birds eventually, they kind of make their way around you, which is really neat. And that's kind of the approach I've gone with here, and it seems to be working really well. So yeah, I'll show you some video and some photos of these birds in a second. Well, I'm going to head back to the car now. That was an absolute fantastic morning photo shoot. Now, if you're a bird photographer and you're coming to the Hawke's Bay, especially in specific to Napier, then definitely you need to put the Estuary Estuary on your list as a place to check out for birding. It really is right up there with some of the best that there is on offer. Well, good morning, nice and early. Slight change of plans. I'm heading back to the Estuary Estuary this morning. Just woke up, and as I was kind of heading out to my second kind of spot that I really enjoy photographing here, I noticed that the sky is starting to go really red. And so I've got to take this opportunity to come back to this Estuary Estuary and see if we can get some beautiful reflection shots with that stunning colour through the water. So, as anyone will know with nature photography, nothing's guaranteed, but hopefully all the stars align and we can get one of these beautiful photos. Well, I don't know if you can see the sunrise behind me, but it's absolutely wild. and I've come down to the water's edge. It is lit perfect mirror reflection conditions. Got loads of pawaka. I think they're dotterel from what I'm looking at as well. So I want to start capturing some shots, and hopefully, fingers crossed, that this sunrise just gets better and better and this water just really starts to colour up. So I've just got to spin you around and show you this sunrise. It is crazy. Tell you what, this is pretty spectacular. I would have about, at a guess, maybe 30 dotterel in front of me and probably 6 ribril. And they're feeding just in these little tiny ponds here. Some of them just kind of just chilling out, but the other ones are just feeding on the shorelines. I've still got some last light coming through, and these photos are looking stunning. Well, that was, just awesome. Such a good photo shoot, absolutely loved it. So we're heading back to the car now, and I'm gonna go take you out to my second favorite spot to photograph here in the Hawke's Bay, and that is out in a place called Clive. Similar kind of setup, wetlands, marshes, but you get a few different species of bird out there, and I have heard the elusive white heron can be spotted out there during this time of year. So nothing's guaranteed, but let's go out there and show you around. Well, we've just made it out to Clive, and I've actually just parked my car down the end of a road called Ferry Road. The reason for that is it gives us easy access straight up onto these great big cycle paths that are all through the Hawke's Bay. And that's what makes this location for me one of my second favourite. It's got high bird numbers, being close to the ocean, close to wetlands and marshlands. So there's lots of habitat, but also the accessibility. Nice and easy to get to multiple different locations to capture stunning bird photos. So, bit of a walk ahead of us. Hopefully though, we can track down some nice birds to photograph. Well, unfortunately, all good things must come to an end. And so that brings us to the end of this epic 2-day birding trip. I hope you've enjoyed coming along to some of my favourite locations here in the beautiful Hawke's Bay. And if you are in the area, make sure you go check them out. You will not be disappointed. The birds, the scenery, absolutely fantastic. Well, we'll see you at the next one.